I'm young, and like there's a lot of distractions, there's a lot of things, and it tells me this step might be just go with the flow. Just I know you want this, I know you want this, but this is for you. Do you understand? This is the best, and during the process, it's more than what I expected. It's the greatest. It's not the best, it is the greatest, because I have never seen any man. I don't know anybody, and the thing about me and my husband is not just about social media. When we are together, I'm so happy, I'm so relaxed, I'm so at peace, and I feel that with him as well. He's so at peace, we're so relaxed, we're like best friends, we're like friends, we support each other in every way, and I'm so grateful to God for finding this person. And I know like there's a lot of scary things about marriage, there's a lot of this, but I always tell him, I don't think I'll see us as, you know, being married, and we're friends. We are going on this journey together. This is not marriage. This is a forever and a lifetime. This is a journey that people will look forward to and say, wow, I can, if these people can achieve this, I can achieve this. My story will be different. And I know because God has aligned it. And this is a journey that God has pointed out, and no man can stop. If God be for you.
Tọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, nǹkan tí Priscilla ọmọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tí ó sọ nìyí lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí ó parí ìgbéyàwó rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọkọ rẹ̀ ní Tanzania. Ló àwọn èèyàn púpọ̀ ni wọ́n ti ń sọ wípé kí nìdí tí wọ́n fi gbowó orí tí wọ́n gbà ní Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n dẹ̀ gbé ìgbéyàwó ọ̀hún tí wọ́n gbé lọ sí Tanzania. Kí lẹ̀yin lérò? Nǹkan tí ẹ̀yin bá lérò ẹ gbìyànjú láti tẹ̀ sí comment section, àti kí lẹ̀yin lérò nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tí Priscilla sọ. Ṣé ìgbéyàwó rẹ̀ máa dúró tàbí kò ní mẹ́sẹ̀ múlẹ̀? Ẹ ṣáà kọ sí comment section ká lè sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀. Ire ní gbogbo wa ó máa rí, ó tún dọjọ́ mi, ọjọ́ rẹ̀ ó dìgbà.